Hi, my name is Dan Storbæk, and I'm here to provide you with a short demo of how secure privacy works. Now, the demo is divided into two parts. Now, first, I want to show you how it looks on different types of websites, and the second part is how to install it and configure it for your own website. Okay? Now, let's dive directly into it, and I want to show you first the cookie banner that you see in the lower part of the website right here. That's something you can make look and feel however you would like, using custom CSS or using some of our predefined templates that we have available as well. Now, in this case, in this specific example right here, you see the blue and the green button right here. And in this case right here, you can see this company have it designed in a green way to match their buttons right here. You have another example with a dark blue and also a dark overlay in the middle of the page. And here you also see a hotel having a very dark and red style, making it fit their beautiful branding style as well. So there are many ways you can make it fit to your website. Now, the purpose of the cookie banner is really twofold. Number one is to communicate a privacy notice to your website visitors. So that privacy notice has to be clear, concise, to the point, and that's something you will get with secure privacy. But also, if you enable different languages with secure privacy, then this privacy notice will be translated automatically using secure privacy. The second purpose of a cookie banner is the ability to block cookies and trackers from being injected on a computer before your visitor has provided his or her consent. Now, if I then press accept right here, then I have provided my explicit consent. And then we will then track in our backend that the consent has happened, okay? I will show you that in a bit. Now, what we also do on this solution is then we add a number of trust elements, one being the trust badge right here. The trust badge is a way for you to increase trust towards existing but also potential new customers. And as more and more visitors nowadays are coming to websites to make purchases or at least make some kind of analysis and see what is this customer about. So you want to make sure that you have all the kind of trust elements you need on your website. But there is a number of specific advantages with the trust badge. One of them being that it's actually interactive. So in this case right here, we scan websites for what type of plugins and cookies they have, and we then communicate it in order for you to ensure compliance with your visitors and customers. And in this case, you have now a self-service platform on your website where customers and visitors can opt out and opt in of the different types of plugins that we have detected and maintained automatically on your website. So essentially, you have a self-service platform running automatically on your website. You can also add privacy reminder text. You can add DPO text, so you can communicate who is your DPO and how you can contact the person here as well. And all of this can be enabled in a number of different languages, however you see fit, whatever you enable within the application as well. So that's some of the powerful features we support within secure privacy, which we hope you will be really happy about. Now, I want to show you also how the backend looks and feel within the solution. And essentially, the first screen you will see is this dashboard right here, where it first checks whether the script is installed on the website, how many languages are enabled, and you can also disable and enable different parts of the solution, and just make sure you have it at least enabled if you want to show the cookie banner and the trust seal. Just to show you how it works, if I then go to the website, then basically the trust seal is disabled on the website right here. So we want to have it on right here. So that's a quick way to disable and enable different parts of the website. How to install it? All you need to do is then you need to add the script to the website. You can also email it to a web developer as needed. If you have WordPress running, you can then download our WordPress plugin. making it very easy and fast to install. And we also have guides in how to install it in Magento, Joomla, Shopify, Wix, Google Tag Manager, and there is no CMS system we haven't had it to work. So I'm pretty confident we will get it to work for you guys as well. Now, if you want to customize the text that comes standard in Secure Privacy, all you need to do is go into the interface and change it right here. Make sure that you have selected the language first. And you got a number of different customizations available here. There is one I want to show you, which is right here. If you have customers, from Africa, Asia, US, you may want to enable targeting so banners only appear for EU visitors. Okay, so that's something you may want to consider when setting up the application as well. If you need to have a PDF version of the scannings report we provide, then we have it available right here where we do SSL scanning. You can also do rescanning. And here we basically communicate how many trackers you have and how it is, if it's enabled or not. Okay. We also provide the automated scanning. You don't need to do anything, but you can see how it's set up right here. Also, if you need to have a privacy policy installed on your website and you don't have one, or you would like to use Secure Privacy's one, then you can use our questionnaire to embed it in a beautiful way on your website. And how it looks, if you scroll down on our website, down to the privacy policy, you see this beautiful model pop-up appearing right here, where we automatically update the text on the website right here, okay? What I want to show you also is the consent tracking, is how that looks. So when a customer then accepts or declines, then we show that right here. So you can see that all the acceptance or declines is shown right here. We had visitors coming in from Italy and Spain and Denmark and UK, etc., etc. So that's the way we basically document the consent right here. Lastly, the domains is the way. Imagine this as an interactive Excel sheet. This is how you can quickly customize any type of settings within Secure Privacy. And that's extremely powerful if you have many websites within your account. Okay, so that is a brief highlight into how Secure Privacy works and how to get it installed, how it looks in different types of websites. If you have other websites we didn't answer, I didn't answer, then feel free to write us at hello@secureprivacy.ai, and we'd be happy to help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.